Hello and welcome back to hardreset.info. In this video, I will show you how to connect GoPro MAX 360 to an iOS. Let's begin! So, I do have my iPhone 12, I believe, but obviously this should work on any kind of iPhone. First, you want to head into your App Store. Inside App Store, you want to head into search bar and simply type in Quik. With a K, not a C. And you want to ignore whatever is on the top, because as you can see this is an ad. And here we have GoPro Quik. So you want to simply download it. And we want to wait for a moment until it finishes downloading, so I will speed up the video now. After it's installed, you can simply hit open. And now we can create an account, sign in, or simply continue as a guest. Technically you don't really have to create an account. I'm going to continue as a guest. And now we want to click, because yes, we do own GoPro, which is right here. So let's click yes. Let's click yes once again. And now we want to simply allow our GoPro Quik to find the devices. Let's go with allow. Let's go with allow. Now it's searching for our GoPro. We probably want to go back, and I would advise you to make sure that you have your camera on, because otherwise it won't be able to detect it. So let's press and hold our power icon. To enable our camera, you can actually put it here, so as you can see the beautiful quality of it. Let us try once again. So we don't want to... Oh, did I screw up? Let me just restart the application itself. Yeah, sure, we can get rid of all of that. Let's go to Quik once again, continue as a guest, GoPro, close it, close the ad, connect to GoPro. Now it should search. Well, it didn't search automatically, which is unfortunate. Now we want to scroll down, and we want to search for our Max here. Let's go if my camera is on. Now we have some nice abilities. We can scroll down here. Let's go to tab connections. So let's go with preferences, connections. And I actually missed the tutorial. Let us watch the tutorial once again. So we have preferences, connections, connected device, GoPro application, and now let's simply go with connect. Great! We can simply hit connect. We have a Bluetooth pairing request, so let's pair it, and as you can see our connection is successful, and we are now successfully paired with our camera. As you can see, it is named GoPro MAX. We can go with... Well, we can go with save as name. Doesn't really matter, to be honest. But new name has been saved. We'll do it later, since we don't want to go with our subscription, because that requires money. But as you can see, we have a nice setup tutorial from the iOS perspective. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.